Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. I'm not going to do a whole lot of cooking on this one tonight, guys. What I'm going to do is some guacamole with Cooking with Pouncy, even though it's not cooked, okay? So I'm going to be dropping the camera. Thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate that. Let me know what you think and pass this on as you see fit. I've got some red onion here, diced very fine. You may be able to see that. It's diced really fine. And I've got some Roma tomato. I use Roma tomatoes because they're firmer, I believe, depending on what time of year, I guess. But I like the Roma tomatoes in this, and I'll be putting that in this dish as well. This is for my toppings, and you'll see that come together as well. I'm going to put just a little smidget, whatever that means, of garlic salt in this mixture. I'm going to use some regular salt as well. You can use, of course, the salt of your choosing, be it sea salt or kosher or whatever, okay? It's some iodized salt just to taste. I've got some coarse ground black pepper. I'll be using that too to taste. And I've got some real lemon over there, but I've got some lemon juice. It's going to be a squirt of lemon juice in this mixture as well. So I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to start putting this together. It's very simple, like I said, okay? Okay, guys. I've already got one done over there, and I just wanted to hold off on this one to show you how I did that, okay? And don't be afraid of it, okay? Go down. I feel the pit or the seed, and I'm just going to roll that avocado on my fingers on out, keeping the knife on that pit, the seed, if you will, in the middle. I can feel it all the way through this process here, okay? I'm all the way through. I can feel it, all right? So I'm just going to gingerly pull it apart, like you see there, all right? And then I'm going to take this pit out. You don't have to dig it out. You just take your knife, holding this firmly in your hand, and aim for the center of this, and just kind of give it a little whack, like that, and just kind of twist it. Comes right out, okay? As simple as that. Don't be afraid of it, guys, because that's all you have to do to get that out of there. All right? So, get this off of here if I can. There you have it. I got it. So, that's how you get that out. Anyway, so, done with the knife. I put that over there before I hurt myself. And I'm looking for my spoon, which is right here. And so, I'm going to proceed with the process of getting my ingredients, basic ingredients, which, of course, is my avocado. And so I'm going to spoon it out of here, out of the hull of the shell, if you will, all right? I've already done this one. It's empty, as you can see. Not going to discard that, and you'll see what I'm going to do with it shortly as well. So I feel it right here on my spoon, the tip of the spoon. I'm trying not to punch a hole in here, which I probably won't do if I do this like I'm supposed to. I can still feel it all the way around. There it is, guys, okay? So that's all the meat of the avocado is out of the shell right there, all right? I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. This is going to be some good stuff, guys. You don't believe it, write to my wife and she'll tell you. She used to not eat guacamole, for God's sake. Anyway, all right, here we go again. I feel the hull on the tip of my spoon as it's underneath there, guys, okay? And you just stay underneath it all the way through, and you just kind of twist your hand, because what I'm going to do is twist it out of there, right? Watch this. I'm going to twist it right out of there. Simple as that. See? Comes right out. There you have it. Without puncturing or putting a hole in that, which I didn't want to do, and I didn't. Okay? Proud of myself, guys. So here we go. We're going to start the mashing it up process. And get this together, I need to get, and I got 2 avocados, but I'm going to fill probably 1.5 with this mixture right here. I need a plate. Let me get another plate here. I forgot where my plates are, guys. All right. Let's just put my plates right here for now. And we're going to put that here. And we're going to start mashing this up, all right? With those ingredients. Very simple. I'm putting, if you will, my little garlic salt in here. My little salt and pepper. And just my potato mash is going to mash it up. These are pretty much perfectly ripened. It could be softer, I guess, or probably no firmer than these are. So I'm just mashing them up, as you can see. Just going to mash them up. It's okay if it's a little lumpy. You don't want them so smooth that you can put them through a straw, for God's sakes. Well, that's about it, okay? That's about it in terms of consistency, all right? I'm going to sprinkle just a little garlic salt in there. Again, this is to taste. Let me find the opening here. Just going to be to taste. Got a little garlic salt. You can see that. A little dusting. That's all I need. Black pepper is going to be the same way. Black pepper, same way. I usually say shake, shake, shake. Okay? And put a little salt in there as well. Again, this is to taste. All right. I'm going to stir it around a little bit because I think I need a little more salt. In fact, I know that I will. I've done this many times, guys, okay? And you don't have to use a whole bunch of salt yourself. Okay. All right, my little lemon juice. And again, I got some lemon wedges over there. I'm just going to squirt just a little lemon juice on here, though. That's what I'll do. Just a little bit, probably 1/4 of a teaspoon. That's it. That's all I need. That's pretty much done, guys. So here we go. I'm done with that. We're going to take our other ingredients and just kind of fold them in here. I'm done with the masher. I don't need the masher anymore. Okay, guys. Just kind of a slight thing. Here we go with that tomato. I've got this aroma tomato, as I said. I'm going to fold some of this in there. And I got my onions. I'm going to do the same thing. My red onion that I chopped really, really fine. I told you about that earlier. And I'm just about eyeballing it. That's about 1/8 of an onion, okay? Here we go, guys. I'm just going to blend it all together. My wife loves this stuff. She likes it a lot. She could eat it for breakfast. I'm just kidding. Good stuff, guys. But this is really good, okay? Really good. And I'm getting it all mixed together. That's what this is all about. And I'm going to taste it here. I'm going to taste it for flavor. See what it tastes like. Just a tad more salt. Isn't it ridiculous how much salt we use, guys? Just does need a little more salt, though, guys. It's very bland. You don't want it bland. You want it just right. Okay. I'm going to say that's just right. Okay. All right. I guess you guys have probably surmised by now what's going to happen with those shells. Can't tell you what I'm putting in the oven yet either. But you'll see that. You'll see that. You'll see that shortly too. Anyway, this is all done. If I had the time, I'd put it back in the refrigerator and let it chill. I don't have the time, okay? So that's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do now with this. This mixture, guys, we're going to put it right on a plate that we're going to serve it on. We're going to build a little avocado molds here. I think you guys can still see that. Yeah, you can still see that. Okay, I'm going to build my little avocado molds here, guys. Thusly, you had to know what I was going to do with this, didn't you? Let's just build these like this. I'm telling you guys, I could have put some lean parents in here too, but there's variations, guys. You can do what you want to do with your own guacamole. All right, I'm going to grab this one to make sure I have enough to go around, but the two, and again, I'm just filling those boats. Let's call them avocado boat. Okay. I was raised up on avocados, my part of the country, I tell you. I still like them a lot. And I hope you guys do too. Don't say you don't like them. My wife used to say that too, but she likes them a lot now too. All right, that's good for that one. I'll put that one in the center of the plate. Doesn't matter whether it's hanging sideways. It don't matter, guys. We're going to eat it anyway, okay? Let's just get that off of here. And I'll put a little bit more on this one right here too. Just make sure everybody's got enough guac. Let's put some more in here. In other words, we're going to heap it. All right. Add a little bit more here for this one. I guess you can get carried away with too much of it, so I don't have enough for 3. I guess I could have if I'd made them smaller. But there you have it. I'm done with that, okay? Guess who's going to eat the rest of this? That's not going to go to waste, guys, at all. Now I'm going to garnish the top of it, if you will, with, I've got to clean it off too, guys, because my hands are getting it guacamole on the plate. We don't have that now. Please, let me get my spoon. Just going to sprinkle some of these remaining onions on top here, so they can be seen. That's great. Oops. And that's good as well. And I'm going to put some tomatoes on there too. Just a few of those little guys. And on top. Okay. Going kind of fast here, guys. Like I said, my battery is about to go bye-bye. All right, that's all I'm going to do for that. All right. All right, next time you see the plate for presentation, you'll see the other stuff that I'm going to be putting on. The final product. Presentation is ready. Beautiful. It smells good. It looks good. My. Can you imagine, guys? There's the other stuff that I was going to put on the plate here, guys. And I think that's just beautiful. We're going to enjoy this supper tonight, guys. And as you see, I got some broiled shrimp there, some huge blueberries, and a couple of grapes on there, lemon wedge. Who can ask any more? Guys, please, if you like what you see, please hit that like button. Let me know what you think as well. And pass this on as you see fit, guys.